Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am going to take you through a video of how to make a tree box. I was very inspired last year to create a tree box. I ended up using burlap and I think 1x3 pine to create it, and then this time my sister gifted me the leather that is on this one, so I thought, you know, maybe I can try and make another tree box since I have 2 trees this year. So I did, and I thought I'd take you guys along and show you how to do it. So keep watching if you're interested in making your own tree box. We are gonna make a Christmas box out of some scrap plywood that I had hanging out in the garage. You can use any kind of scrap wood you have. Go ahead and rip your boards down. I ended up going with a 22-inch by 13-inch box for my tree, and I believe it's about 7.5 feet tall. And then each piece that I ripped down, I just cut to size to give me that 22-inch by 13-inch height box. In order to secure them, I just used pocket holes on both ends of the middle piece on the front and secured it with some wood glue and the screws. Make sure you give it a good sanding, that way you have a nice clean base for your stain, or if you choose to paint it, you have that nice clean base. I ended up staining it. I'll link below the stain and color I chose. And the most exciting part is this leather here. My sister gifted it to me. I saw it, wrapped it around the tree as a skirt, and then when I saw I had enough material, I was like, I need to make a box with this. So I did. Now, I didn't have any hinges, so you can definitely put hinges on it to secure this so you can kind of fold it. I did that on my last Christmas box, but for this one, since I didn't have any and I had some dowels, I figured why not try a new method? So you'll see me here marking the spots where I need to drill my holes to insert the dowels. Using I think it was a 3/4 inch Forstner bit for these dowels. That's the side for the dowels, the side for the holes, secures right in. And you can secure 2 corners with dowels and the other 2 with hinges, so you can remove it and still make it compact. This is the final product of the Christmas tree box from scrap wood. I really liked how it turned out. I could have used edge banding on the side, but I don't know, for some reason with things like this, I'm a sucker for seeing the plywood lines. So I just used it that way. Drop in the comment box if you guys plan on making this or if you like it. All right, you guys, make sure you stay tuned and catch me in my next one. Bye.